Okay, so what we're going to do is take the ramp to go into the covered parking lot over here. So when the light turns green, you just stay to the right.
We're going here?
Not here, okay. Just further, just at the end of the tree line there. Just the first turn after the trees. We're doing narrow spaces, which really helps to get to know the size of your vehicle. Some people don't know where there's mirrors are, right? See all the scrape marks? Bit of a violent speed hump here. Have you ever done this before in the covered part? Okay. So we're going to take the far right lane and grab a ticket. The trick to grabbing the ticket without losing control of your vehicle and crashing through the gate is to go very slowly. Let's go to this one here and get your left side mirror as close to that ticket box as you possibly can without bumping into it. A little closer. A little closer. There you go.
Straight now.
Okay. Push for a ticket. See, he has no problem reaching. I'll take that. Unless you want to pay for the way up. No? Okay. We'll turn right here following the road marking. So you really got to be aware of where the back end of your car is here, because sharp turns, narrow spaces. Position your vehicle right on top of the arrow. That'll give you that 3 meters of space away from the bumpers. And we're going to back into a space. How about between these two vehicles right here? Yeah, if you keep your vehicle nice and straight here, right in this space, yeah.
Reverse to let them know you're turning. Reverse. Switch for the slide.
How's it look on your side, the left side there?
Looks like I have room.
Okay. You can use the wall in front of you to know when you're straight. Yep, you got it. Good. Right on, man.
Right on.
Good job. We're going to turn right, and we're going to find the ramp to. We're going to find the ramp to go up to the top level. Go down this way here, left turn. So you want to keep your eyes open for a ramp. Looking for P3. P3 is the level that we're going to. This is P2, parking level 2. What do you think?
Do not enter.
Do not enter. Okay, so we look for the next clue. Yeah, you found it, eh? You saw that sign, P3? Okay. I got lost in one of these there for about 10 minutes in Toronto.
Yeah.
It was a 6-story thing.
Mm-hmm.
Going around in circles. Narrow spaces require wide turns. Really wide turns. You want nuts too. That's not wide enough, because your back end, you don't want it to strike the concrete, right? So just aim for that post. Move forward a bit more, straight ahead, and then crank. Yeah. So when you're turning into narrow spaces, what you do is fish hook it, swing it out more. Swing it out. Top of the ramp, we're going to make a right turn. Sharp right. I'll get you to do the forward parking between these two vehicles, and again, swing it way out there. You want to come at the space in as straight a line as possible. Way out there. Start moving way out there. Way out there. Keep on rolling. Keep going. Keep going. Now you got the right turning radius. Pressure on the brake, getting your front left corner close to the white car. A little closer. That's it. And then and straight. Wheels straight. Wheels straight. Turning to the left. There you go. Done. You got it. Right here. Okay, and we'll back it out to the right and go that way. Right. This is just like the parallel parking. That's good. This time you turned your wheels all the way to the left before moving the car, which was good. And then right turn at the end of the building. It's like driving on a rooftop, eh?
Been up here once before.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Right turn at the end of the building. And then we'll follow the exit sign here. Wide turn, wide right turn. The road markings take you to the exit over there. And there's your exit here. Wide left turn. He was maximizing the use of the space available.
Yes, he was.
Bottom of the ramp, left turn, yielding to any cross traffic if there is any, of course. So there's visitor written on each post here. After the last visitor post, we'll turn right, and that'll take us back to the ticket box. There's 3 lanes available. You can choose whichever one you want. Okay. And again, you want to get your left side mirror as close to the ticket box as you can. So if you've never done this before, insert ticket here with a picture of the ticket beside it. The barcode is at the top. Now you can look cool when you take your friends to the movies here. Like you know what you're doing. Grabbing a ticket. I see people struggle with that all the time. Lose control of the vehicle. I've actually seen somebody actually crash right through a gate because their foot came off the brake when they were stretching to get a ticket. Bottom of the ramp, we're going to turn, let's make a right turn, no, left turn, from the left side of the ramp, because it's a one-way. Left side of the ramp here, left turn, yeah. And make sure you don't turn into this side of the roadway.
Yes.
Yesterday, somebody turned left on the wrong side, yeah. You got to go all the way over. Looks good.
That's good.
You bypass the yellow lines right into the driving lane. That's much better than it was yesterday with the other student, yeah.